Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start family number 4, Rubiaceae. It is also called as the Axora family. So, this family includes 500 genera and 6,000 species throughout the world, and India represented near about 50 genera and 551 species. Out of these species, 364 species are reported in India as endemic plants. So, this family is showing a systematic position in such a way that division phanerogams, subdivision angiosperm, class dicotyledon, subclass Gammopetali, series Inferi, order Rubiales, and family Rubiaceae. This family is having characteristics that leaves are opposite within intrapetallar stipules, flowers in cymose type of inflorescences is most important characters of this family. Then after that there is silent features of this family. In relation to this, first we see habit, mostly trees and shrubs, sometimes woody climbers, example Rubia, rarely herbs, example Gallium. Then next point in silent features, that is stem. Stem is always aerial, erect, herbaceous or woody, solid, branched, cylindrical, hairy or smooth. Leaves are simple, entire, stipulate, opposite, decussate, inter or intrapetallar stipules present, surface shiny. Then inflorescence is always solitary, example Coffea, gardenia, monocagial cyme, example Hamelia, panicle cyme, example Rubia. Flowers are always bracteate, ebracteate, pedicellate, actinomorphic, complete, epigynous, bisexual, sometimes unisexual, trimerous or pentamerous. Calyx always sepals are 4 to 5, gamocephalous. Calyx is 4 to 5, lobed, and lobes are valvate. In Mushendra, one of the 5 petals sepals is much larger and brightly colored. Then corolla, petals 4 to 5, gamopetalous, salver shaped, rotate or funnel shaped forms, valvate type of estivation or twisted or imbricate type of estivation. Then androecium stamens are always 4 to 5, as many as the number of corolla lobes. Epipetalous anthers are dithecous, dorsifixed, and filaments are short. Then gynoecium mostly bicarpillary and syncarpous. Ovary inferior bilocular with axile or basal placentation, one to many ovules in each locule. Style long, stigma bifid or capitate. Fruit a capsule, drupe, berry or schizocarpic type. Seeds are always mostly endospermic with straight or curved embryo. Then after that silent features, we must see the floral formula of this family, that is bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 4 to 5, gamocephalous, corolla 4 to 5, gamopetalous, androecium 4 to 5, epipetalous, gynoecium 2 to 5, carpillary, syncarpous. Then ovary is always inferior. Then we must see the distinguishing characters of this family, that is first distinguishing characters is plants with simple leaves and inter or intrapetular stipules presents, inflorescences solitary or monocagial to panicle cyme. Then flowers bracteate, tetra or pentamerous, calyx, corolla 4 to 5 united, stamens 4 to 5 epipetalous, carpels 2 ovary inferior surrounded by flesh disc. These are the some important silent distinguishing features of this family. Then after that we must see common examples and economic importance of this family. First common example of this family is Rubia cordifolia. In Marathi it is called as the manjist. It is also economically important, such as roots are used as medicinal purposes. Manjist is highly recommended in skin diseases. It is useful in diarrhea and dysentery. It is used in skin diseases. So these are the economic importance of this plant. Then second common example of this family is Gardenia racinifera. In Marathi it is called as the decamali. This plant is also showing some economic importance, such as it is used as ornamental shrubs with fragrant flowers. It is used in traditional medicine systems. It increases appetite, relieves pains of bronchitis and vomiting. It produces gum known as decamali. It is good anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. These are economic importance of this plant, that is decamali. Then next example of this family is Coffea arabica. In Marathi it is also called as the coffee. It also showing some economic importance, such as seeds used in preparation and coffee powder. Coffee contains the alkaloid coffee bean used in the production of plastic called coffeolite. It is excellent insect repellent. It is commercially cultivated for coffee beans. So these are economic importance of these plants. Then next economic example of these plants is Axora coccinea. In Marathi it is also called as the Axora. It is also economically important plants. It is cultivated as ornamental plants. Axora contains the phytochemicals and glycosides. It is antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-diarrheal. So these are some common economic importance of these plants. Then next examples of this family is that is Cinchona officinalis, which are showing some economic importance, such as it is the commercial source of quinine. It is useful in the treatment of malaria and fever. It releases the digestive juice and cure the stomach problems. The next example, that is Hamelia patens. It is showy ornamental plants cultivated in gardens. It may be botanical garden or it may be public gardens. The next example, that is Anthocephalus indicus. In Marathi it is called as the kadamba. Wood is very valuable. Next example of this family, that is Muscendra Etiolea. The plants having one attractive large sepals is generally cultivated in as a ornamental plants. So by this way we are studying common examples and economic importance of these plants in the family, in this family. Okay, thank you.